Hey everyone, what real fluency actually means? Today's episode is very special because today we are crossing the final barrier. Grammar is not your problem anymore. Vocabulary is not your biggest issue anymore. Your real problem is this. You still think in your mother tongue and then translate. And that single habit kills fluency. Fluency does not mean speaking fast. Fluency means thinking, feeling, and responding in English naturally. This is episode 19 of the series How to Speak in English. This episode is Advanced Fluency and Thinking 100% in English. In this episode, you will learn how to stop translation, how to think directly in English, how to speak for long time without stopping, how fluent people actually speak. If English still feels heavy in your mouth, this episode will change that. Welcome back to SS Words, your one-stop solution for smart learning, smart earning and smart living. My name is Shahbaz Sultani. Let's enjoy the show. Step 1. Why translation is your biggest enemy? Let me be very honest. The moment you translate, your brain becomes slow. Your process becomes thought, translation, English and fear. Fluent speakers don't do this. They go directly. Thought in English. You don't need perfect sentences. You need direct response. Mistakes don't block fluency. Translation does. So from today, promise yourself, I will stop translating. Step 2. Thinking in English step by step. Thinking in English does not happen in one day. We build it in layers. Step 1. Think simple. Don't think big sentences. Think, I am hungry, I need water, I am going outside. Your brain must feel English, normal life language. Step 2. Think in action. When you are doing something, describe it in English in your mind. I am opening the door. I am sitting down. I am checking my phone. This is how children learn language. Step 3. Think in feelings. Say in your mind, I feel tired, I feel confident, I feel confused. Language connects deeply with emotions. Step 3. How fluent people really speak. This is a truth. Nobody tells you. Fluent speakers use simple words, repeat ideas, correct themselves naturally. They don't sound like books. Example. So basically what I mean is, let me say it again. This is natural fluency. Fluency is flow, not perfection. Step 4. Speaking without stopping. Flow technique. Most people stop because I don't know the next word. Fluent speakers keep moving. Use bridge phrases. What I am trying to say is, let me explain in this way. Another point is, in simple words, these phrases buy you thinking time. Never stop. Slow down, but don't stop. Step 5. Thinking fast without panic. Fluency requires mental calm. If you panic, your mind goes blank. Do this. Slow your breathing. Speak slower, simplify sentence. Instead of searching for perfect words, use another easier word. Perfect English is not required. Clear English is enough. Step 6. Long speaking practice. Very important. Now comes the real fluency builder. Choose one topic. Your day, your work, your goal, your opinion. Speak for 5 minutes non-stop. No stopping, no correcting, no judging. Even if you repeat, even if you go slow. This is how fluency is born. Step 7. Real-time thinking practice. Practice 1. Describe your room for 2 minutes. Practice 2. Talk about your future for 3 minutes. Practice 3. Explain one problem and one solution. This builds live thinking. Step 8. Removing mental blocks permanently. Mental blocks comes from childhood fear. People will laugh. I will make mistakes. Understand this. People forget your mistakes in 5 minutes, but you remember your regret forever. Speak now, improve later. Fluency loves courage. Step 9. Connecting sentences naturally. Use connectors. Because of this, that's why, after that, at the same time. These words make speech smooth. Disconnected sentences sound robotic. Connected sentences sound fluent. Step 10. Daily thinking in English habits. Daily habits change everything. Daily habits change everything. Think in English during walking. Talk to yourself in English. Write short English thoughts. Watch English and think, not translate. Your brain learn by repetition, not pressure. Step 11. Biggest fluency killers. Avoid all these. Translating in head. Stopping too often. Correcting every sentence. Judging yourself. Fluency needs freedom. Step 12. 30-day fluency transformation plan. 40 minutes. 10 minutes thinking aloud. 10 minutes long speaking. 10 minutes listening plus shadowing. 10 minutes free talking. After 30 days, your English will feel lighter, In episode 20, we will complete this journey: English mastery and life transformation, final mindset, lifetime practice plan, identity shift, your new version. This episode will close the chapter and open a new life. If you reached here, you are no longer a learner. You are becoming a natural speaker. Remember, fluency is not magic. Fluency is habit. Fluency is courage. Stop translating. Start living in English. Like this video, comment I think in English, subscribe to SS Words. This is Shahbaz Sultani. Your English is flowing. Your mind is free. You are one step away from mastery. I'll see you in episode 20.